In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can make your first $2,000 in a single day with affiliate marketing. And you're going to learn exactly how you can do this without any past experience, without any technical skills, or even without talking to a single person. I'm going to reveal the 3 things that you absolutely must have in order to consistently have $2,000 days and beyond. And if you stay with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a really cool bonus that will allow you to generate these commissions on complete autopilot. Yes, that's right. Meaning that you could be making these sales while you're hanging out with your wife at the beach, while you're hanging out with your dog at the park, or even while you're sleeping. But before we dive in, I want to first just say that if you like these videos about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, creating passive income online, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way you'll be notified of all the new videos that are posted whenever there's a new video out, and yeah, that way you won't miss anything brand new, right? So I've got a lot of really cool stuff coming into this channel, within the next few weeks and that type of stuff, and I'm just super excited. But let's actually get right into it, right? So there's 3 things that you absolutely must have in order to get these types of sales pretty consistently. And the very first thing that you absolutely must have is you need to have a high converting offer. Right? So what exactly is this? High converting offer. This is basically, you want to have something to sell online, but not just anything. You want to have something that is, of course, converting very well, and that will, of course, pay you, what you deserve, right? So you don't want to, settle with, paying little products that'll pay you like $10 per sale. You want to promote something that could ideally pay you anywhere from, let's say, for example, 500 per sale, 1,000 per sale, or maybe even like, $2,000 per sale, like what I'm showing in this video, right? So if you want to find something to promote, you could always go to a site like clickbank.com. This is obviously, been around for quite a while. You also have a bit of a newer site called Digistore24. And just if we go to, Marketplace up here, this will bring up a list of offers that you could decide to promote. So what you could do is you could sign up to Digistore24. And by the way, if you already have something that you are looking to promote online, you have an offer that you want to, of course, run with, that's completely fine. You could, use what I show in this video to, of course, market that. But if you're completely brand new and you're like, well, where exactly should I start? What product should I, of course, pick? Don't worry about that. I'm going to give you a really cool bonus at the end of this video that will allow you to, leverage something that is, of course, working very well, right? So I'm going to reveal exactly what that thing is and exactly, what these people are using to get these results pretty consistently, right? But, you can go on Digistore, you could find an offer, and if you want to promote, for example, to mastery monetization, you could promote this product right here. And, when you get your affiliate link, when you get signed up, for every sale that you generate of this exact product, you will get a commission of about, around $182 every single sale. Now, of course, if you could make this amount, for every single sale, if you can get one of these per day, that would be pretty good, right? Make an extra 100, 200 bucks. However, if you want to make a lot more than this, then ideally what you want to do is you want to focus more on high ticket products, right? So you want to focus on, products that are going to pay you the big dollars rather than the little dollars. And the reason for that is because, well, this might sound, hard to believe at first, but it's actually proven that it's a lot easier to make, for example, if your income goal is, an extra $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, it would be a lot easier to reach there if you are promoting products that pay you big commissions rather than little commissions. And think about it like this, right? If you promote something that pays you, $10 per sale, and, your income goal is like, $5,000 per month, how many sales of, this product right here would you need to get to this income goal, right? So when you really think about it, it's a lot easier if you're marketing, high ticket products, and that's really what is important right there. Let's move on to the second thing that you need, and that is a system that will help you convert, that will help you actually sell the product that you are looking to promote online, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So a system pretty much consists of a few different steps, and this is also referred to as a sales funnel, or a like sales funnels, pretty much what it's referred to, right? But basically what it consists of is you have a page, and this page right here is known as a capture page. The whole purpose of this is to get someone to, of course, when they visit the page, they have 2 options. They could either enter their email down below, they could enter their email here, or they could leave the page. And if they enter their email, if they want to learn more about whatever you are offering, then they will get taken to the next section in the funnel, which would be known as the thank you page, or also known as the bridge page. This is where you can, of course, introduce yourself, explain more about, what the offer is all about, you explain your story, exactly what they can get out of it, and then you want to give a call to action that says, hey, if you want to learn more, all you have to do is click on the button down below, and that will take you to where, if you want to learn more about it, then you can, of course, check out the offer, right? And that is where, when they click on that button, they will get taken to the final step, which is your affiliate offer. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make is, they go on, Facebook groups, just like these, and then they just start pitching their opportunity, just like this. They start spamming their links. They start trying to, just get people over to, their offer. And most of these people that are inside this group, most of these people that, aren't getting results, what they're doing is they're trying to send people directly to their affiliate link, which is not what you ideally want to do if you are looking to really get long-term results, right? So, just pitching your opportunity like this, it doesn't really help that much in the long term. And for that reason, you want to, of course, have something like this set up where you are, of course, building up a connection with people, or building up that long-term rapport. Now, if this looks confusing to you and you're like, well, how exactly do I build all this out? Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you a really, really cool system at the end that you, of course, leverage. And, if you're completely brand new and you just want to plug into that, that's completely fine as well. But if you want to, of course, build this out yourself, you could always use a software like ClickFunnels or Kartra. These are both really, reliable tools to help build your sales funnels up. And by having a sales funnel in place, this is what's going to allow you to get a lot more sales in the long term, rather than the average person who just relies on the odd sale here and there, the odd, $20 commission, and, you make one $20 commission with, after like 4 months of making nothing, like, yay, I made $20, So you don't want to rely on that in the long term. You want to rely on long-term consistent sales online, right? So this is the second thing that you absolutely need to have in place in order to get these long results. And the third thing is you need traffic, right? So you could have the absolute best system in the world. You could have this amazing system that converts very well, but if you aren't getting eyeballs to the capture page, if you're not driving traffic consistently, then your business, it's like having a business in the middle of nowhere, right? So when it comes to driving traffic, there's a few different ways of doing it. Obviously, you have, free and, paid methods. So I'll show you two methods here that you could use. So one really great place to go if you want to get traffic is a platform known as Udemy, right? So if you aren't familiar with this site, this is basically where you can get traffic known as solo ads. And how solo ads work is basically you have these vendors here, and you could choose from any of these vendors. So for example, if we want to get traffic from this Igor guy right here, I could simply just open up his name, and in this case, you could order anywhere from 100 visitors all the way up to 500 visitors. And what's really cool about this is when you order traffic from one of these vendors, for the most part, you will get those clicks delivered within 24 hours. So if you're someone who's completely brand new and you want to, start getting traffic, as quickly as possible, you want to start generating as many leads as possible, this is a great place to start. And the other benefit is this traffic is very inexpensive. For example, if you want to start out with 100 visitors, which is ideally what I would recommend, for this, you would only pay about $47 for that, right? So you just pay $47 one time. You put in your link right here that you want to promote. Obviously, you want to promote your landing page like what I mentioned earlier. You don't want to send people directly to the offer, but you want to send people to a page that will collect email addresses, right? And that way, if they don't buy right then there on the front end, it's no big deal because you could have follow-up emails, of course, following up with people, right? So you could put in your link right here, complete the transaction, and then within 24 hours, you will have 100 visitors going to your link right there, right? So this is a really great way to get lots of traffic very quickly. Another really great method that you could look into is known as Ringless voicemails. And this is a method that it's a bit of a newer method, something that not many people are talking about, but you could use this to get lots of traffic very quickly as well, right? So you could, sign up to this platform, ringlessaln.com, and what you could do is you could, pay this, platform right here to, of course, set up Ringless voicemails for you. And this is another great way of getting traffic very quickly, right? So basically how this works is, it sets up like this ringless voicemail, and those who, of course, express interest, they could check out the link that, of course, recommends, and then you could have that go directly to the offer that you're promoting, or directly to the link, right? So it'll have it to where they get like a message on their phone, like a voicemail, and then it'll say like, hey, if you're interested in making X amount, and you're interested in getting this exact result, then you can, of course, check out this program right here, go to this website, call this number, that type of stuff, and that will lead them through the process that you have right here, right? So that's another method that you could use. You could even just use your Facebook profile. I know a lot of people who have great, success just posting on their Facebook profile, and they're able to get, lots of results that way. So I went over the 3 things that you need to have in place in order to really get those long-term results. But one last thing that I want to go over is the bonus, right? So I want to reveal exactly what program these people are using to get these types of results. And like I mentioned earlier, you don't want to just market anything and everything that will just pay you, like a $42 commission, because although that's great, you could make a lot more if you decide to promote higher ticket products, right? So the program that these people are leveraging that is getting them great results is a program by the name of Easy 1UP, right? Now, if you've been online for any amount of time within the past few years, you might have heard of this program before. It's been blowing up quite a bit within these past few years, actually. And it's one of those companies that has been around for quite a few years, and it's pretty stable, right? So Easy 1UP has been around for quite a while. And basically what this company has is they have products that teach you how to build an online business, how to market online, and of course how to, generate traffic online, right? So how Easy 1UP works is they have different product levels. You can come in either at the $25 level, $100 level. They've got products ranging from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And what's really cool about this program is this is an instant paid program, right? So when you become a member of Easy 1UP, what you could do is you can market these products. And what's really cool about this is when you get a sale of, let's say, for example, the $100 program right here, you get the full 100% commission, right? So when you generate a sale of, Elevation Elite, you get $100 paid to you pretty much instantly, right? So you don't have to wait, 30 days to get your commissions. That is something that if you had success with any other affiliate program in the past, you probably know that most affiliate programs don't operate that way. You typically have to wait like 30 days or so to get your commissions because, if the person refunds within 30 days, then you lose that sale. And that is kind of the downside with a lot of programs. In fact, one of the programs that I promoted is called Invincible Marketer. And by the way, I've got nothing against this program. I really like the product. I think the training's really good. But in my case, I promoted this program. I got 1,387 paid out, and I still have like $544 in pending commissions that I made like last month, right? So these should be getting paid out soon. But this is one downside that a lot of affiliate programs have is, you get your commissions online, but if you're someone who's completely brand new and you want to get into the results rather quickly, then, for a lot of people that are new, it can be kind of anxious because you're kind of like, well, I just want to get paid, as soon as possible, right? So that is what makes Easy 1UP stand out from a lot of other affiliate programs out there. And, the other benefit is you could choose how you want to get paid, right? So you could, decide however you want to get paid. And, there's just so many more benefits with this exact program. But the main thing is you can get paid, full 100% commissions, and it's paid out instantly, right? So again, there's no waiting for any of that stuff right there. And it is a pretty lucrative program. So for every single sale that you can get, you can make anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 per single sale. And if you can make an extra $2,000, in a single day, or even just one of these every single week, I know for most people that would make a massive difference, unless if you're already having, lots of success online. Right now, you might be on this video and you might be wondering, well, how exactly can I promote this exact program, and how do I get started with getting results in this program? If you're completely brand new and you haven't really had much success online before, you might wonder, well, how exactly can I promote this and really get those consistent results, right? So I want to reveal something that will, of course, help you get results with this program a lot easier, and that is a system that you could plug into to, of course, help you get results, right? So there is a system by the name of Profits Passport, and this is actually created by one of the members of Easy 1UP, known as David Deacle. So this guy pretty much put this program together. And basically how this works is you could plug into this system right here. And how this works is, you plug in, you get your own affiliate link to promote, the Profits Passport system. This is basically a funnel, and it has up to 7 different income streams inside of here, right? So you could set up these different programs, and rather than promoting, each of these programs individually, what you could do is you could promote one link, which would be this link right here. And when you promote this link right here will take people to the capture page. So this is pretty much the system that it's all set up for you. All you have to do is pretty much promote this link, and whenever someone goes to this page and they enter their email, they will be brought to this webinar right here that will pretty much do all the selling, all the explaining for them. And pretty much all you have to do is promote this link, And whenever someone signs up to, income stream number 1 and they sign up, this sale goes directly to you, right? So again, if you are not good at when it comes to selling, that's no big deal at all. You can simply plug into a system like this. And if you, of course, want to check this out, all you have to do is check out the link down below, enter your email here. And also, while you do that, I want to show you some really cool bonuses that you're going to get access to. And so a few different bonuses that you're going to get. You're going to get access to the YouTube selling system. As you probably know, YouTube is one of the highest quality traffic sources out there. I've used it, quite a lot myself, and it's what's allowed me to get my first breakthrough online. However, YouTube might not be it for everyone, so you might be more interested in using Facebook ads. Well, there's a bonus for that as well. If you want to learn how to use Facebook ads without ever getting banned, you could plug into this bonus as well. You also have bonus number 4, which is massive traffic formula, massive mini chat profits. So if you want to use mini chat, that's another one you could use as well. You have the ultimate Facebook chat mastery, and you also have email swipes. So again, there's plenty of bonuses in here to help you, get up and running, even if you're completely brand new. All you have to do is, of course, follow the training and simply plug in to leverage what works, right? So if you want to, of course, check this out for yourself, all you have to do is visit the link down below. It'll take you to this page. All you have to do is enter your email right there, and from there, you'll be well on your way to making these consistent $2,000 sales online, right? So look forward to seeing you inside of the program. We really look forward to, of course, seeing you succeed. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and take care.